Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a cleaning business? Considering starting a cleaning company? Entering this industry can be surprisingly accessible, with starting costs as low as $500 for a small-scale residential setup and escalating to $50,000 plus for a full-fledged commercial operation. But it's about more than just the art of cleaning. Thriving in this space requires top-notch customer service, efficient time management, and for larger operations, adept staff coordination. With the cleaning sector boasting profit margins from 20% to 50%, these businesses can be attractive to entrepreneurs. Intrigued about unlocking the potential of the cleaning industry? Let's discuss the details and see if starting a cleaning business is right for you. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. How much does the average commercial cleaning business owner make? The number of clients and size of space being cleaned impacts how much commercial cleaning businesses make. The average starts at about $70,000 per year and can easily increase to over $100,000. What are the biggest challenges to starting a commercial cleaning business from scratch? The top challenges for janitorial services include marketing, hiring, and competition. How many commercial cleaners already operate in the U.S.? There are approximately 1.4 million commercial cleaning establishments, including over 36,000 franchised outlets. About 2.4 million people work in the commercial cleaning industry. Considerations before starting a cleaning business. Initial investment. Skills required. Demand. Location. Hours. Permits and licenses. Profit margin. Challenges. Benefits of opening your own cleaning business. Basic cleaning supplies. Reliable transportation. Willingness to connect with potential clients. Simple marketing materials, business cards, website, social media accounts, etc. How to start your own cleaning business checklist. As you plan and begin your cleaning business, think through how you'd like it to run, what your ambitions are for growth, and how you want the company to fit into the rest of your life. Also understand practical considerations, such as state or local requirements, business insurance, trends, and opportunities in your area. 1. Create a business plan. Clarify your idea. Are you a solo operator or planning to expand with multiple locations? Identify the problem you solve. Customers pay for services they can't or don't want to do. Set SMART goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely objectives. Anticipate challenges. Identify potential roadblocks and solutions in advance. Track progress. Establish key metrics to measure success and make adjustments. A solid plan prevents costly mistakes, helps secure funding, and ensures a smoother business launch. 2. Choose a business structure. Sole proprietorship. Easiest to start but offers no liability protection. Ideal for solo entrepreneurs. LLC. Protects personal assets and allows multiple owners if needed. Taxes and income. Understand how each structure affects self-employment taxes and earnings. Selecting the right entity impacts liability, taxes, and growth potential. 3. Name your business. Pick a name that's easy to pronounce and represents your brand. Check state databases to ensure the name isn't already taken. Secure a matching domain name for your website. Register your business name and entity with the appropriate state/local offices, including a DBA if needed. 4. Register your business and open financial accounts. Especially if you form an LLC, you need to keep your personal and business financial accounts separate. At the least, your company needs a business checking account. That way it's easier to track income and expenses, manage tax requirements, and keep some barrier between your business money and your personal assets. Know your employer identification number, EIN. 4. Sole proprietorships. This is usually your personal social security number. Sole proprietorships and LLCs can also get their own dedicated EIN from the IRS. Depending on your area, you'll also need to see what licensing, zoning, and insurance requirements your business needs to follow. 5. Determine your business costs. Fixed costs, insurance, leases, utilities, and business registration, $0 to $500 for an LLC. Variable costs, payroll, $12 plus per hour per employee. Cleaning supplies, $300 to $600. Fuel and taxes. Target market. Residential versus commercial cleaning impacts costs and requirements. Pricing strategy. Choose between flat fees, hourly rates, or all-inclusive packages. Startup expenses. Equipment, marketing, $200 plus for ads/website, and insurance, $500 to $3,500 per year. Plan your budget carefully to maintain profitability and manage cash flow effectively. How will you fund your cleaning business's startup costs? SBA loans. Low interest, long repayment terms, but require good credit and time for approval. Credit cards. Quick access to funds, but high interest if not paid monthly. Bank loans. Maintain control, potential tax deductions, but strict credit requirements and collateral needed. Friends and family. Flexible terms, but risks personal relationships if repayment issues arise. 6. Purchase equipment for your cleaning business. No matter your niche, your company will need cleaning and safety equipment in order for you to get started. What is the minimum equipment needed to start your specific cleaning business? What equipment will be durable? And what consumable supplies will you need? Be ready to replace as needed, so you don't risk service interruptions. 7. Market your cleaning business. Print materials. Use business cards, brochures, and postcards for local promotion. Google Business Profile. Optimize your listing to attract local searches. Social media. Set up a Facebook page and LinkedIn profile for professional visibility. Referrals. Encourage satisfied customers to spread the word. SEO website. Create a search-optimized site with clear services and contact info. A strong marketing strategy helps attract and retain customers. Starting a commercial cleaning business. High demand. The need for sanitation services remains strong, especially post-pandemic. Startup costs range from $1,000 small operations to $100,000 plus large-scale businesses. Profit margins average between 10% to 15%. Key to success. Expertise in cleaning, staff management, strategic operations, and customer service. With the right approach, commercial cleaning can be a profitable and sustainable business. Examples of commercial cleaning businesses to start. Target clients: offices, small businesses, retail stores, schools, daycares, and nonprofits. Niche specialization. Focusing on specific industries can give you a competitive edge. Learn from franchises. Study successful cleaning franchises for best practices. Specializing in a specific sector can help streamline operations and build expertise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show, for example, like any state so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. So, I'm going to take you through the process step by step. Okay, so let's get started. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service, which no other company offers. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form and LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. BZ is not making any income on that. That is the state getting their filing fee. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans, which are Basic, Standard, and Premium, and the price of the 3 packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the 3. And this is the package where BZ charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, You simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email. Next is the standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. So one way or another, you are going to need these services. The premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the three because it includes 3 extra services: free next day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. So, if you are in a hurry and want to complete your LLC filing as soon as possible, then you can choose this package. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, Busy will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Below, Busy is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, Busy will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide random personal information, but remember, you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. In the next section, you will see Busy will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. In the next section, Busy will ask you to select the number of owners or members your LLC might have. I will just select one for the sake of creating this video. After that, Busy will show you as a member in this section. Then select your name as a member, and use Busy's virtual office address as your business address. You can click on the Next button. After that, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In the next section, Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. But if you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, Busy will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by Busy, and click on Next. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. But for the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes button and proceed to the next step. Next, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, Busy will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where Busy will do additional research on your behalf. After that, Busy will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using Busy.